Hola chicos y chicas! Today I will be making a pasta salad. It's very easy to do, it has very few ingredients, and it is delicious. So I'm gonna start getting all our ingredients ready, and I will start with the red pepper. So we're just gonna quickly chop. I don't want big pieces, you know, I just want them to be bite-sized, like that. And I want two kinds of peppers, the green and the red, just to make it look pretty. So I have already chopped some, it's ready. I'm also going to need celery, and you can replace the celery if you want for something else, like some people like onions, and you can replace it for that. I also have cherry tomatoes. I don't like to chop them, I put them whole like that, but if you want you can slice them in half. We're also gonna need olives. I really would like to replace the green ones by the black olives, but that's all I have today. So green it is, also cut in half. I'm going to need chopped parsley, a little bit of oregano, and your grocery store should have these fresh mozzarella pearls. They're just teeny tiny balls of fresh mozzarella, and you can also buy the big mozzarella ball and then just chop it, that's fine too. And then my pasta, which is cold and cooked. Okay, so now the only thing we're going to do is a very easy peasy process. We're just gonna have our pasta, then we add our peppers, celery, our tomatoes, our olives. We're just going to add 2 tablespoons of the mozzarella pearls. They look so pretty, don't they? I love them. I'm going to use just a little bit of oregano, and I'm going to rub it in my hands. It smells so good. It's so pretty already, and it's not even finished. Now I'm going to use any kind of vinaigrette you have. This is what I have in hand, says the Italian, and this is what I'm going to use. Just shake it well, and then just be generous, okay? Very generous. And I also like to add a little bit of this vinaigrette. It is champagne. I really like it, just very little. And we start mixing. This is basically done, you guys. This is great to take to family events, you know, serve it in potlucks and dinners. Just have it ready at home, you know, make it in the morning, go to work and come back and it's ready. It's just perfect. Now the final touch is our parsley. If you don't like parsley, just leave it out, but I just think it's really refreshing to add it. Just one mix, and then you try it to see if the vinaigrette amount you put in there was enough, or I need a little bit more wine. So I'm just gonna finish this bottle here. And our salad is finished. Look at the pasta, the rotini shape, the red colors, the greens. It's just great and it tastes amazing. So the only thing we just need to do now is cover it with saran wrap and put it in the fridge. Now if you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and give me a like. Pasta salad.